you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So today we're talking about a heartbreaking story that of course has captured the attention of thousands of people across the United States of America. A young man named Nolan Xavier Walls reportedly with went out with a group of friends to celebrate the 4th of July. What was supposed to be a fun holiday outing turned into a tragedy that has left many people asking questions. Now, according to reports, Nolan was last seen during a boat trip near Horn Island in Mississippi. Later that day, he was reported missing after the group returned without him. Search teams, including the U.S. Coast Guard and volunteers, began looking for him, and sadly, after 2 days of searching, Nolan's body was found. Since the news broke, social media has been filled with messages of grief, prayers, and call for answers. Many people are wondering exactly what happened during those final hours. Others are urging everyone to allow investigators to do their work before jumping into conclusions. At this stage, authorities are continuing their investigation, and many details have not yet been officially confirmed. That means it's important to separate verified information from rumors circulating online. Now, this tragedy is also a reminder of how quickly celebrations can turn into heartbreaking situations. Families across America are now mourning alongside Nolan's loved ones, hoping that the investigation will provide clear answers. Our thoughts and prayers go out to Nolan's family and everyone who knew him during this incredibly difficult time. What do you guys think about this case? Do you believe investigators will uncover exactly what happened? Please do share your thoughts respectfully in the comment section below. But remember that this is a real family experiencing an unimaginable loss. If you found this update informative, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell for more trending news and updates. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one.